Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hyderabadi Food Flavors. Today I am making potato cutlets that are stuffed with mint. So let's see how we make this. For potato cutlets you will need 1 kg of potatoes. Wash them and keep them to boil. For potato cutlet stuffing you will need mince. You can take either beef or lamb mince. So I have taken half kg of beef mince. Add 2 big onions, slice and add to this mince. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, add half cup of water. Mix this and let it cook for 15 minutes or until the water in mince dries out. We will not add any oil in this mince because this is going to be stuffed in potatoes. Potatoes are done now. Check the potatoes with a pointed knife like this. Now it's done. It's boiled enough now. Put these potatoes in a strainer so all the water should be drained out. Let it cool, then we will peel off the skin. These potatoes are cool enough now to peel its skin. Peel off the skin of these potatoes. After peeling off all the potatoes, mash them with a spoon or fork, but don't put them in a chopper or blender. That will be very mushy for cutlets to make, so just mash them with a spoon or fork. Add a half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon or more than half teaspoon of black pepper powder to these potatoes and mix well. Potatoes for the potato cutlets are ready. Now let's move on to the mince. This mince is cooked well. There is no water in it. Now add chopped coriander to this. Mix well and turn off the heat. You will need only half of the mince from this mince. Let it cool down, then we will start making the cutlets. For making potato cutlets, you need to grease your hands with cooking oil and make a patty like this and fill this with mince. Fill this with mince and fold this one. For making potato cutlets, you need to take some potato and make a patty like this. First grease your hands and make a patty like this. Then fold this from the corners like this. Then add the mince, stuff in the patty, and fold it like this. If the mince sneaks from the cutlets, just add a patch of potato and stick to it. Make it a round circle shape. To fry cutlets, this is 1 egg. Whisk it well and add a pinch of salt. Add quarter cup of cooking oil to the pan. Dip these cutlets in egg and fry them. Let the oil be hot. The oil is little bit hot. Now you can fry them. You need to shallow fry these cutlets. Turn the cutlets when they are golden brown from one side, flip them like this. Fry them golden brown both sides. When they are done, take them out. Fry these cutlets on the high flame. Let's dish out this. The cutlets are dished out. As you can see, the stuffing inside the cutlets. You can see the stuffing inside the cutlets. So you should try this one. This is very easy. If you like my recipe, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.